Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this Getting Started video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is for business owners to activate their Internet modem. As a Cox Business customer, your job is to provide a computer that will be utilizing the modem. Now let's get you connected. Included in your kit is one Internet modem, a single power cord, one coax cable, and one Ethernet cable. There are a few simple steps to set up your modem. Connect the coax cable to an active cable outlet first, and then connect it to the Internet modem. Next, connect the power cord to an electrical outlet and the Internet modem. Please make sure the electrical outlet is not connected to a dimmer or switched outlet. Now that the Internet modem is plugged in and powering on, wait a few minutes for it to boot up. You'll know it's ready and connected to the network when the online light remains solid. Please note, it may take up to 10 minutes for the modem to connect. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the Internet modem and either to the WAN Internet port on your router or directly into the WAN port on your computer, as shown here. Lastly, open a browser and go to your favorite website to verify that your Internet is good to go. Congratulations! Your Internet modem is up and running. In the event you have any issues, you can contact Cox Business using any of these options. Thank you for being a valued Cox Business customer.